What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on a Ciao part again, mainly the front fender because it is absolutely broken. It is barely fixable, but I'm gonna give it a shot because I want the front fender on my bike, but I don't really want to buy a new one. I'm gonna try to fix it as good as possible. It's not gonna look great, it's not gonna look pretty, but it's gonna be functional and it's gonna look better than it is right now. The state that it's now in is it is very dirty, it is rusty, and it is broken. You can see two tears on the side walls, and yeah, it looks pretty rough. And on the front, yeah, it's bent. I don't know if that is from crashing or whatever. I certainly didn't crash the bike, but maybe the previous owner, because this is a second-hand bike. I'm gonna remove this flap in the back. It's stupid, it's dorky, and I don't like it. It's just two rivets and it's gonna be gone. I think I placed it on myself, but I don't like it anymore, so I'm gonna remove that. For the tears, I'm just gonna clean them up, try to weld them because it's very thin metal, maybe get some metal on the back to support it. There's a little bend, they're bending out, but I guess I'm gonna weld them back together and then hammer it flat. And I'm gonna see how good I'm gonna get it, maybe repaint it, maybe sand it, maybe do whatever. But for now, I'm just gonna work on it and try to make it as best as possible, not go too crazy on it for just a moment. But if my fender is welded and it's sturdy and it's back on the bike, I'm gonna be happy with it. It's not gonna look clean. I'm not really gonna paint it completely black because there's a lot of other work that I should do to get this fender back in perfect condition. It's just a small little project that I wanna try because I'm gonna do some stuff on the back fender as well, and I want to get some welding practice in before I start that project. So trying to fix a fender that's not worthy of fixing, but yeah, we're gonna try it.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
So here it is, the fixed up Fender. It doesn't look good up close and it doesn't look good from far away either. But it is functional again. It is sturdy. It will not break anymore and it looks pretty decent. For what I want with my bike, it looks pretty decent. Now, if you don't want your Fender to look like this, even I have the two shades of paint. I have matte paint on the front and shiny paint on the back. If you don't want that, you can always buy your Fender from jmpbparts.com. It's like 20 euros. So if you don't want to get into the hassle of TIG welding, fixing up and painting your Fender, you can just go to their website and buy it. The link will be in the description down below for a new Fender. But for my project, for my bike, I'm happy with this. This is functional and this looks decent enough. I'm not gonna say good because there's always one in the comments section telling that doesn't look good, you can do a better job, just buy one for 20 euros. Why go through all that hassle and it still looks bad? But for my project, for my bike, it looks good enough. If you see it from far away, looks like a normal Fender. Now, if you want to do a better job, I would suggest using some filler on it, make it all nice and straight, get more varieties of sandpaper, make it all nice and flat, straighten up the front because mine, it is straighter than before, but it's not perfect. It's an improvement of what it looked before. So the Fender looks decent. I'm happy about it. I'm gonna just install it on the bike that I can see what it looks like on the bike. Now, to make sure you understand this is not a tutorial. This is just how I fixed my Fender, not how you should fix your Fender. Don't do what I do. Do what you want to do with your Fender. If you want a nice looking Fender, go on jmpbparts.com's website. Get yourself one for 20 euros and you have a mint condition Fender. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and on Instagram. And if you're not already subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it and I will see you in the next one.